Hello, I'm Cosplay, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn from this to this. I start by applying white and black lipsticks on my lips. Then I start tracing my face using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil and shade all over gray. To help to keep the proportions for my tracing, I start tracing the middle of my face and then moving outward with my tracing. Because there is a lot of details in my makeup, I mark some other parts using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil and shade all around white. So I use two different colors of eyeliner in order to distinguish some parts of my makeup. For the whole makeup, I'm only using three colors of body paint. I'm using the Marin Paradise Paint in black, Storm Cloud Gray, and silver. I'm basically using silver for highlight, gray as the base color, and black for some shading and outlining. For the eyebrows plate, I'm doing basically the same as the cheekbone plates. I'm filling the highlighted part using silver body paint and the plate under it with Storm Cloud Gray, and I'm doing the outline and the shading using black body paint. I'm trying to really make a big contrast between the black outline and the silver highlight. I'm filling this part using detail brushes with gray and black body paint. For these little metal plates, I'm doing the top ones using silver body paint, and I'm mixing silver and gray for the other one right underneath. For these side plates, I'm filling them with Storm Cloud Gray, and then I'm adding shading using black body paint for the part near my ears. I'm filling the plate around the nose using silver body paint, and I'm filling the hole in the middle of it using black body paint. For the rest of my nose, I'm mostly covering it with a dark gray by mixing Storm Cloud and black body paint. I then fill these kind of rods around my nose and underneath using silver body paint and filling the holes between them using black body paint. For the plates around the jawline, I'm filling the edges of the plate using silver body paint. Then I'm outlining those edges using black body paint and a detail brush. I'm filling the rest of the plates using Storm Cloud body paint, and I'm adding some highlight mostly toward the jawline using silver body paint. Behind these front plates, there's a kind of second row of plates, and I'm basically doing the same thing, filling them with Storm Cloud Gray and putting silver on the edges and outlining them with black. Here I'm just filling some details with gray and black body paint. For the lips, I'm putting silver on top of my upper lip. I'm filling my upper lip with gray. I'm filling my bottom lip with silver and adding some gray in the middle. For the part around the mouth, I have to say I look at the reference picture and there was way too much detail for me to do, so instead I kind of did my own thing for that. So basically I did some kind of two layer of circular plates that are surrounding the mouth. So I'm doing pretty much the same thing as the one on the jawline. I'm doing the edges with silver, and then I'm filling the plates with Storm Cloud Gray, and I'm adding some shading with black. For the plates on my temples, I'm filling them with Storm Cloud Gray. I'm doing the black shading closer to my eyes and doing some highlight with silver on the outer part of it. For the top of the head, I'm doing the part near the middle of my head with silver body paint, then I'm highlighting it by shading right next to it with gray and black body paint. I'm kind of blending them in a little bit, and I'm filling the rest of it using gray body paint. And I'm doing some more shading. I'm filling the spots right next to these plates by mixing Storm Cloud body paint and black to get a dark gray. I'm filling this kind of V-shaped plate using silver body paint, and I'm doing these little plates right beneath with Storm Cloud. I'm also outlining with black and do some shading. I also just filled the hole in the middle with black body paint. For the plates on the sides, I'm basically doing like the plates on the jaw. I'm doing the edges using the silver body paint and filling most of the rest of the plate using Storm Cloud Gray, and I'm outlining them using black body paint and a liner brush. I start my eyes by applying white concealer, and then I'm taking a selfie to verify that everything is at the right place, and then I'm setting it using a white shimmery eyeshadow. With a pencil brush, I'm going around those circles using a lime green matte eyeshadow. Then around that, I'm adding some green shimmery eyeshadow. Then using a liner brush, I'm outlining the eyes using black matte eyeshadow. Then I'm filling the rest of my eye area using the silver from the Makeup Forever Flash palette. Then I'm adding some silver eyeliner on my waterline. Then I'm setting the silver cream makeup I just added with a silver eyeshadow. I'm setting the rest of the upper eye area using dark silver eyeshadow. Wherever I've put a silver body paint, I'm topping that with some light silver eyeshadow. The rest of the makeup is quite repetitive. Basically, I'm topping all the gray body paint using a dark silver eyeshadow, and I'm redoing the shading and the outline using a black eyeshadow. Basically, for the plates, I really want to emphasize the contrast between the silver highlight and the black outlining to make it more sharp. I'm setting most of the plates of the jawline using dark silver eyeshadow, but for the second row I'm instead using a dark gray eyeshadow to simulate the shade. For the outlining here, I'm instead using an ink liner and the detail brush to get the lines a little more darker than with black eyeshadow. For the round plates around the mouth, I'm setting them using a dark silver eyeshadow, and I'm shading the part toward my ears using dark gray eyeshadow and some blacks as well. Here I'm adding even more highlight using a MAC silver eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner, and I'm adding more silver highlight at the edges to make a sharper contrast. For the top of the head, I'm repeating basically the same process by topping each color of body paint with a matching color of eyeshadow, but on the part where I put black, I'm instead here using a black metallic eyeshadow. Here again, I'm pretty much repeating the same process of topping each color of body paint with a matching color of eyeshadow, but I'm also using a blending brush to do some shade at the top of those plates using gray and even some black eyeshadow. I end up the process doing some outlining using a black gel liner and adding some of silver highlight using the same liquid silver eyeliner.
And this
this is the final result. So this is a cosplay SFX makeup of Lockdown from the Transformers. So I hope you really enjoyed the video. If so, please feel free to give a like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye!